Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Last week I was in Dublin for work, and at the end of one night I was waiting outside the hotel I was staying in with a friend who was staying in a different hotel for a taxi. And as we were standing there waiting for this taxi, a very drunk guy stumbled towards us and engaged us in a very entertaining conversation, during which he sang a few songs to us, asked us what we did. When I told him I was a writer, he said, I'm a writer too. I'm actually the ghost writer for a very famous English chef. He then continued with this story, and as he left, stumbling off into the night, he turned round and shouted, "I am the protector of Nigel Slater's rearguard." After he left, my friend turned to me. We both looked at each other and sort of laughed a little bit, and he said, "That was a right old cock and bull story, eh?" If you describe something that someone tells you as a cock and bull story, it basically means that you know the story is obviously not true, but you recognise that it was given to you or told to you, maybe to boast, to brag, or maybe as an excuse. So if a student comes to me and says, I did do the homework, but the thing is, my dog ate it. Please spare me that old cock and bull story, I might respond. Maybe you have a friend who's promised to help you move, and on the day that you're actually moving, he completely fails to turn up. You might ask, "Where's Mike? He said he'd be here." He texted me earlier with some complete cock and bull story about having to attend his second cousin's engagement party. Maybe you've got a friend and everybody knows they were fired from their last job, but they're too ashamed to admit it, so they've invented a whole story to explain why they're not working in this place anymore. And the sad thing is that nobody believes the cock and bull story that they've come up with to explain why they're not working there. And maybe you also have friends who are prone to a little bit of exaggeration, and in those cases it's probably not a good idea, for example, to ask them about their ancestry, where their parents and grandparents and great-great-great-grandparents came from, unless you want a cock and bull story. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use cock and bull story.